Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First. This is lesson number 11, grade 8 mathematics. In this lesson, we are going to look at the 4 basic operations. Alright, so the 4 basic operations, it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we are going to apply this to whole numbers. Alright, so we need to apply something called BODMAS. So every time you are doing addition, subtraction, dividing, so you need to apply BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is simply stands for brackets of, all right, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? Why should we know this? So let's say you are given something like this. You are given 100 minus 25 times 3 minus, open bracket, 5 exponent 2, close the bracket. So then you are told to simplify this. Where do you start? So the first thing that you need to do, you must work out anything that is in the brackets. Alright, like in this example, we should work out this 5 exponent 2. We should simplify that to 25. And then after that, we should now go to O. Now, in some textbooks, the O is written as the E. So it will sound as BEDMAS. So the E simply stands for exponents. Alright. So if there are any exponents, that is what you work out for the division. Alright. Then so after that you work out, if there's no division, you go to multiplication. Like in this example, there's no division here. You go to multiplication, and then after multiplication is addition and then subtraction. So that is what we call the order of operations. Alright. So after removing the brackets, of course, you need to work out the numbers with power of exponents, and then you multiply, you divide, and then lastly you do the addition and the subtraction. Okay, let us look at these 2 examples. I have, the first example says 9 plus 5 times 2. So there is no brackets, there is no exponents, there is no division. So what do I need to do? I should do the multiplication. So 5 times 2, that should simplify to 10, because 5 times 2 is 10, and then only then I can do the addition, which will give me 19. So the final answer, if I simplify this, will be 19. Now the question is, what if I do the addition first? What will happen? Am I going to get the same answer? Let's find out. Okay, so instead of multiplication, I'm going to add. I'll get 14, and then 14 times 2, easy now. 14 times 2, I'll get 28. Is that true? Yes. Now look at 28 and look at 19. Those answers are not the same. So that means first thing that you need to do, you should go according to BODMAS, please. BODMAS, 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 BODMAS. Okay. Alright. Just want to put this in green to show that this is the correct thing. So I'll make it green to show that first it is the multiplication before the addition. So you don't do the addition first. Okay. Example number 2. I have 7 exponent 2, so this exponent, and then brackets 4 plus 4 times 3 minus 1. Okay, what do I have here? I know that 7 exponent 2, that's going to be 49. 7 times 9 is 49. Then I say minus 8, of course, because 4 plus 4 is 8. And then I multiply it with 3 and then subtract 1. Okay. Alright. After that, now I can do the multiplication. So I have removed the exponents, I have removed the brackets, so now it's multiplication. So 8 times 3, that should give us 24. By the way, you are going to do some such questions in paper 1, and in paper 1 you are not allowed to use a calculator, so you need to know your multiples. That's why we did the multiples earlier. So now we can subtract. All right, so 49, take away 24, easy now. 49 take away 24, that should give us, it's gonna give us 25. 25, and 25 take away 1, it's gonna give us 24. All right, let us also experiment with this one. In this box here, let us do the subtraction before the multiplication and see if we are gonna get just that. Okay, let's see what will happen. All right, so instead of multiplication, I'm going to subtract. 49 take away 8, what will be that? 49 take away 8, I'll get 41, and 3 take away 1, I'm gonna get a 2, and then 42 times 41 times 2, I'm gonna get 82. Again, if you do not follow the rules according to BODMAS, you are gonna get a different answer. Okay, so that's why you must go according to BODMAS. Okay, I'll make this one green to show that this is the correct thing. All right. Okay, now for your homework, I want you to try these 2 activities. Okay, so the first one is 100. I think we have seen this before. Let me just quickly go up so I can copy the correct thing now. So it seems like I've modified it. Copy. Okay, paste. All right, so it's 100 minus 25 times 3, and then minus open bracket 5 exponent 2 and close the bracket. Now in part B you have square brackets and then small brackets. 30 minus 27, close the bracket, plus 7, then close the square brackets, times square root of 81 minus 5 exponent 2. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one a different number because we have used that one already. 2 exponent 2. So please try this one. Remember, you are doing this without a calculator. All right. Okay, you take your picture, you share with me on WhatsApp so I can confirm whether your answers are correct or you need to do some correction. All right, thank you for watching, and remember to share and leave your comment in the comment box. And if you are interested in the study guide, let me take you up to the study guide. Here's the study guide. Please let me know so I can provide you, because these notes are coming from the study guide. All right, so at least when you're following in the study guide, you will not be lost. Okay, instead of you copying the notes, you just follow in the study guide. And I also have physical science. If you're interested, just call me or send me a text. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.